Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor patio heaters that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the East Oak 50,000 BTU Patio Heater. The East Oak Torch Propane Patio Heater excelled in all our tests, coming out as a top performer in terms of design, ease of use, and heat output. It's also the best propane patio heater we tested. This dome-style patio heater has a classic barrel-style base that holds a 20-pound propane tank, and it comes in a variety of color options to match your decor. I tested the black model, which was surprisingly stylish with its contemporary matte finish. And I love that the top of base doubles as a small table where you can put a drink or small plate. The surface doesn't heat up during operation, so you could even rest your phone there if you wanted. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Portable Outdoor Propane Patio Heater. The Amazon Basics Patio Heater was our tester Steph's panic purchase during the pandemic when the weather started to turn colder. Living in Canada, it was comfortable enough to sit outside even during the chilly fall and early winter. It provides a consistent amount of heat that spreads over a large enough area to keep a small group of people comfortable when the weather is chilly. At 46,000 BTU, the Amazon Basics Patio Heater has a slightly lower heat output than East Oak, but the base does have wheels that make it easier to reposition on your patio. Price-wise, it's marginally cheaper, available for just under $150. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. If you have limited space on your patio, Cuisinart's Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. This compact design weighs just 11 pounds without a propane tank and can easily be moved around. And you could even pack it up in your car to take camping or on other outdoor adventures. It runs on 1-pound propane tanks, which screw into the base, and it was also the quietest of all the propane models I tested, so it won't disturb your conversations as you relax outside. This tabletop patio heater had a surprising number of screws to assemble, but the whole process only took around 10 minutes, much faster than any of the full-size models. I loved that I could easily lift and carry the heater around my outdoor space, and it lit up on the first try. At number 2, we have the FireSense 66,991 Pyramid Flame Patio Heater. If you want a patio heater that will be an accent piece in your outdoor living space, the FireSense Pyramid Heater is worth considering. This pyramid-style heater was, by far, the most stylish option among the 6 heaters I tested. In addition to its sleek stainless steel exterior, it has a glass tube that runs up the center of the pyramid, showing off a tower of flames. I was so impressed by the design that I sent videos of it to several friends, all of whom agreed that it was much more aesthetically pleasing than a regular dome-top heater. This heater's pyramid-shaped design also offered a few other benefits. Thanks to its 4 legs and wide base, it's very sturdy and doesn't need a sandbox in the bottom. It comes with hardware to mount the heater to decking or stake it into the ground, but I didn't feel the need to add these extra security measures, as it wasn't wobbly at all, even on windy days. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mr. Heater Buddy Heater. This little, lightweight device from Mr. Heater is an excellent option if you're short on space or want an outdoor heating option while you're on the go. It's only 14 inches wide, making it suitable for tabletop use too. On mild winter days, I place the Buddy Heater under my patio table as a supplemental heating device to my Amazon Basics unit. It heats the surrounding area fairly quickly and runs for up to 3 hours. The single control knob allows you to choose between low and high heat. You'll benefit most if you're sitting in front of the heater. I recommend this space-saving heater to anyone wanting to spend more time outside, as it will help keep you warm without gobbling up valuable real estate. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.